down. Woo! Woo! Who touched the wet screed?
I did not.
Did you do that, Al?
No.
It's all scraped down.
But I didn't.
Woo! Woo! Can you go a little faster, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Has anybody ever told you you're the man? No? There's a reason for that. Thanks, buddy. Have a good day. How's it going, Daryl?
Good, boss.
Make sure you wash that good, all right?
I will.
All right. Hey, I can't believe you guys all just stand around and watch us work. Are you even serious? Didn't you see all the work we just did over there? Yeah, over there. You guys couldn't pitch in a little bit? I said, right now I'm trying to get these forms